Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here is YouTube, and what you have to do is for you to go over to you, which is at the down side at the right. So let me go over to it, and what you have to do is for you to go over to setting. You're going to see the setting icon at the right corner at the upside. Let me go over to it, and over here you have to scroll down. You're going to see video and audio's preference, so you just have to go over to playback, and over at this playback you're going to see auto play next video. So you can go over to it to turn it off. As you can see, my own is off, and if you want to turn it on, you can go over to and turn it on. So let me go over to turn it off. So this is how you can be able to do it. And also here at this place, which is playback in field, you can see playback in field is always on, or you can go over to turn it off if you want it to be in playback in field. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.